Welcome to AvaTrade video tutorials. In our fourth and final video, we're going to learn some really useful trading analysis tools and features that are integrated into our WebTrader. If you're watching this video on YouTube, we've added a list of analysis features and how to use them in the description section below. Feel free to skip ahead to hear more about a certain feature. Now, the WebTrader hosts many different tools and features which can really help enhance your trading experience. Today we're going to look at two in particular, the Trading Calculator and Trading Central. When you click on the Trading Calculator button, it leads you directly to the AvaTrade website. From here, you can enter the details of a position you're planning to open, and it will estimate the potential outcome for you. The instructions on how to use it are here. First of all, select the instrument you'd like to trade, set up the account currency, which is your base currency that you'll be trading in, type in the leverage you'd like to use, then type in your open and closing prices. You can also enter the date you're thinking of opening the position and also your predicted closing date to calculate swaps. Once you click Calculate, you'll be able to see all the predicted information below. Back to the WebTrader. Now we'll be taking a look at Trading Central. Trading Central has 4 different really useful features which you can use. It has the economic calendar, Forex featured ideas, Analyst views, and Market Buzz. Let's start with the economic calendar. So what is an economic calendar? Well, basically it's a calendar of all the key events and indicators such as data releases that are expected over the next week or month, depending on how you set your calendar. It also shows you the impact or the importance this event will have on the relative asset. So in this case, you can see the Aussie dollar, the RBA interest rate decision, and the fact that this will have a high relevance or impact on this asset. You can see the forecast number and also the previous number. You can choose to add this to your calendar so it appears every month that this release takes place. You can also take a look at this asset on the price chart. This is an excellent feature. You can take a look at the price chart. Wherever you see the diamond here is where the last events occurred, so you can see how this particular event impacts this asset. You can also take a look at the event chart here, looking at how the event actually panned out in terms of actual reading against the forecast reading. So you can see this event pretty much met its anticipated outcome on every single month's reading. In volatility, you can take a look at the volatility and the direction of the price movement which happened after the event. How much volatility did this event create? So here you can see that 10 historical events caused 91% bullish trends and one previous event caused 9% bearish. So you can really see how this impacts this asset here. You can also see the average range of pips created, so the volatility created after this event took place. Finally, take a look at the impact. This is the impact of the event on the Aussie dollar. You can see here that the Aussie dollar US dollar price moved in a range of 32.6 pips during the 1 hour immediately following the event. This ended with a bearish trend of 19.9 pips. So this is building up a real picture for you of exactly how this kind of event has impacted the Aussie dollar US dollar pair before. You can take a look at this event and see if it's impacted any of the other asset pairs. You can also see 1 hour after the event, 4 hours after the event, the impact just 30 minutes after the event, and 15 minutes after the event. This is really insightful stuff that can help you understand how to trade after an event takes place. By the way, you can change the parameters here for low importance, medium importance, and high importance events. You can also change the countries you're looking at and reset from here. The third section in Trading Central is Analyst Views. These are the views of all the in-house Trading Central analysts. Let's click on one to understand exactly how it works. So this is the GBP USD pair. You can see the chart pattern that's formed here. This is the 30-minute time frame on this date. They've implemented the Bollinger Bands and the moving average 20 time frame plus the moving average 50 time frame on here. So they've created some patterns in order to help you to understand exactly what the market is doing. Take a look here. This is a trade idea based on the technical analysis they've conducted. The final section of Trading Central is called Market Buzz. This feature is also really worth knowing about. The section serves like a data intelligence tool, and it scans the online media sources to reveal the current hot discussion topics among traders and analysts in the world of financial markets. So in the main area, you can see the assets in front of you in the form of bubbles. The bigger the bubble, the more publications are talking about it. Right now, everyone's talking about Pfizer, so you can see the Pfizer bubble is bigger than most of the other ones. Google's also pretty big, as is Apple and Alibaba. This will help you to understand exactly what's going on in the markets and what everyone is talking about. When you hover on a bubble, it enlarges it. It shows you how many publications have featured the asset in the selected time frame, and it also indicates how many of these mentions were from news platforms and how many were from social media platforms. You have the option to drill down, so you can search directly for currencies. More publications are talking about the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar than any other currency pair right now. Take a look at the cryptos, commodities, indices, stocks, and you can build your own watch lists from here too. You can also drill down by trend analysis or news volume, and you can change the time frame. One more feature worth knowing about Market Buzz, if you actually click on the asset of your choice, so in this case Microsoft, it will show you exactly what those mentions are about, how positive or negative they are. It analyses the trend based on these mentions. So for instance, the most discussed topics about Microsoft in the last 24 hours have been about a price gain, which was mentioned 18 times, initiate positive 16 times, ownership increase held, price target increase. So it gives you a real understanding of exactly where this asset is at in terms of the news mentions. And that is how Trading Central works. Really, really useful and really, really helpful. We've come to the end of this course on the WebTrader. We hope it's been useful to you. Skip back and watch a video at any time. And of course, get in touch with us if you do have any more questions about WebTrader. We hope you enjoy using it, and we really hope this course will help you to elevate your trades. Thanks for watching. See you next time.